Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna share my makeup look using Chanel Spring Collection 2024 using number 78 Rivage. The brush I'm using is the dual-ended brush from Chanel as well, and I'm using the flat shader brush. Pick up the light golden shimmer shade and lay down all over my eyelid, and then moving on to the star of the show, this blue shimmer shade using same shader brush. Focus on the crease area. As you can see, this blue shimmer shade is very soft, so keep layering until you get the pigmentation you wanted. Here I'm switching the brush to other end. Using the blending brush side, pick up the darkest brown shade and then focus on the outer edge and blend it out above the crease area as well. Okay, switching the back to the flesh shader brush side and adding a little more of the blue shimmer on the crease, and flip the brush side to pick up the darkest brown shade and focus on the outer edge one more time. Now I'm gonna add some more dimension using this gorgeous glittery topper shade and focus on the middle of the eyelid. I'm gonna underline my eyes using number 82 Blue Abysse waterproof eyeliner, and then using black liquid liner and gel eyeliner fill in the waterline, and then eyelash curler and mascara, you know the drill. Oh, by the way, I'm adding a little more of the blue shimmer shade on my lid and getting rid of all the mascara little mishaps. Adding this beautiful topper shade one last time. Moving on to the cheeks, I'm using the brush that comes with the blush duo and applying pinker side of the blush on my cheeks right now. As you can see, this blush is very soft and very watercolor-like, so I really love this blush on my cheeks, and even though I keep layering, it doesn't look dry or cakey. I'm falling in love with this blush more and more. This beautiful illuminating powder has unique blue shift to it, and I'm applying with my fingers just to see how well blended with my blush underneath. I understand this type of glittery highlighter is not everyone's cup of tea, but I am very much enjoying it. With this collection, this is such a beautiful highlighter. In this collection, I only picked up one lip color shade, number 932 Rouge Coco Baume. Such a beautiful and universally flattering shade. I am enjoying so much. Here's my blue eye look using number 78 Rivage. I think all four shades are beautifully balanced. Here's the final look using Chanel Spring Collection 2024. Hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and thanks for watching.